If you're experiencing account sync issues in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and unlock your account sync effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or their social media pages to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and repair them automatically. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Rockstar Games support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, and they may be able to help you resolve the sync problem. By following these steps, you should be able to unlock your account sync issue in Red Dead Redemption 2. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the community or support teams.